Your rights as an unmarried person are significantly less than they would be had you married your partner. And when the relationship breaks down, that can then lead to some very difficult circumstances. It's commonly held myth that by living with somebody you become a common law husband or wife that gives rise to rights, but that is just a myth. At the time of purchasing a property, cohabiting couples may have declared how they intend to hold the property and whether in equal shares or depending on their contributions. If the property is owned by one party, the other party may be able to establish an interest in that property, usually based on the contributions that they've made to it. There may also be circumstances where it's possible to preserve a home for the benefit of children of the relationship, but these are very complex legal issues that you do need to take advice upon. There isn't any legal right to make a claim for financial support against a person that you've lived with before, save in respect of child support for any dependent children. That's usually dealt with via the child maintenance service, but payments can be agreed voluntarily. In addition, if the payer is a very high earner or extremely wealthy, there may be further provision that can be made through the court. Arrangements for the children are dealt with in the same way whether you are married or unmarried. Ideally, you would reach an agreement between yourselves about where the children are going to live, where they will go to school, etc. If you can't do so, then the court can make orders that will determine these issues. A lawyer can help before or during your relationship by drawing up documents such as a declaration of trust or a cohabitation agreement, which could detail what shares you intend to own a property in, who's going to pay for what, and who would be responsible for any debt. These documents can save costly and lengthy litigation if your relationship breaks down.